Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will explain how to install Shopee on Android. Previously, let me introduce my partner. She is Rizka Nurcahayani and Rosita Ayutri Ristani. And with myself, Risa Rosdiana. Shopee is an application that is engaged in buying and selling online and can be accessed easily by using a smartphone. Next, first, open the Play Store application on an Android phone. The first step, please open the Play Store application on your mobile. After that, please find or just type the Shopee keyword in the search engine for the app's Play Store. Next, second, download and install the Shopee application. The next step, please download and install the Shopee application. Next, third, wait for the installation to complete. Please wait for the Shopee app's installation to complete. Next, fourth, Shopee app successfully installed. If it is like the image below, your Shopee application already installed on your cell phone. Please click open if you will go straight.
Hello, my name is Rizka and I will explain how to create Shopee account. Next. First, open the Shopee application and click register. Next. Then, create an account with the option of using a phone number, Google account, Facebook, or Line. Please click one or you put your number on the column. Next. After you choose the option, you will be sent a verification code. After that, click Continue. Next. Write your name, account, password, and password confirmation, and then click Continue. Next. After that, fill in your address according to your residence data. Next. Finally, your Shopee account is ready. You can use for shopping.
My name is Rosita Ayudrustari, and in this last step, I will explain how to use the Shopee online shopping application. First, find the product you want by using the search feature. After that, select the product you want from the search result. Then, click Buy Now to place the order. After that, check the product you want to buy, then click Checkout. On the checkout page, make sure your shipping address is correct. Then select a shipping service and specify the delivery hour. After that, select your preferred payment method. Finally, click Create Order and make payment. And thus are the procedures starting from downloading the application, creating an account, and finally the procedures for shopping online using the Shopee application. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial can help and happy online shopping. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.